How to register crypto.com tutorial. If you want to register on crypto.com app, which means to create an account on crypto.com, it's quite simple to do so actually. First, you open the crypto.com app, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see here. And from here, what you basically have to do is on the next page, so let me just go ahead and then load this up first of all. You can see the option that says create new account. So just tap on the create new account button that you can see there. And after you've done that, what you have to do is you will see other many options over here. So simply enter the email that you'd like to use for your crypto.com account here. So I'll just select enter this and then just tap on the create new account button. Then it's going to send an email address verification to that email. So make sure you go ahead and then verify with that email address. Once you verify that email address, after you verify this CAPTCHA, you will be asked other information where you can simply choose a password for yourself, choose a wallet and other options. So just tap on open email, and from here you can simply log into your respective email. Here you can it says create a crypto.com account, and when you tap on it and then you tap on the create an account button, you will be able to create your crypto.com account. This way you will be able to register on crypto.com. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.